Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share a screen on Snapchat call. But before that, please do make sure you like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, tap on your Snapchat app on your phone, and now simply tap on this little chat icon beside the camera icon. Here in the chat section, go ahead, tap on the person that you would like to share your screen with. Once you're over here, all you have to do is tap on this little video call icon on top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, tap on video call again. Once you simply call them on video call, you will be able to find this kind of icons in the below section. All you have to do is tap on this particular icon right over there, and you will be able to ask for the access. Once you have confirmed that, you will be able to simply share your screen with that particular person on your call. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.